What? Didn't we spawn at Alpha?
Yeah. No, we spawned.
Or was it Charlie?
I got my mic on so I can actually...
On
Wait, where did we spawn?
one alpha.
Alpha side.
Okay. Oh, hey, we were on this map yesterday.
Ah, I'm being stolen by Charger.
What if we just got like 7 M22s and got on one point, and then when an enemy showed up, we all just scatter?
Where's everybody at?
Which spawn are we spawning?
Alpha.
Alpha.
Okay, there's Hawk. There's Reaper. There we go. No, now we need.
HSTVL!
This guy's just sitting here. Is he praising the sun?
I don't know. Surround him.
What is this guy doing? What are we looking at?
We're like the same size. You could just see his movement the moment he realizes that there's 4 M22s.
What the fuck is that?
Hello.
Oh man, it would have been so much more funny with that. Oh, he spawned a thing. Oh, no, he didn't.
Why are you still alive?
Quick! Go save him.
Oh, no.
Don't go save him.
Dude!
Bad idea.
He immediately goes for me. Ow. He killed me in cold blood.
Guys, watch out.
Hi. Alright, I'm back to you now.
Charles have visual. He does, but he didn't do it.
Going alpha wasn't the best idea.
Maybe not. MPT is dead.
Okay, so yeah, can't go that way either.